experience together right now. You can simply send your regards to the four corners of the world.
Yeah. Assalamu alaikum, and thank you, Lucky Chap, to be here in Black Lake again.
Yeah.
And I believe you are my favorite media broadcaster.
In
Because
the
people
Gambia.
in the Gambia, I mean, in the world, I could say,
Thank you
because
very much. Thank
I
you.
really never follow anyone, but for you, I do follow you.
Thank you
I
very
see
much.
you doing a very good job on so in Gambia, out there to the world,
Yes.
from businesses, farming, especially the farming part. I've seen you doing that,
Yes, of
and
course.
even made me to become interested in doing such in the Gambia
In the
here.
Gambia,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah,
thank you very much. You saw a lot of farms here,
yeah.
yeah, and a lot of businesses also.
Yeah.
So I'm really grateful that you're doing a wonderful job.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Guys, to Gambian brothers who travel for so many years, never come back home, to employ, to build more factories and company, to employ more Gambian brothers and sisters, yeah, to move Africa to the higher level.
Yeah, in this thing here, it's like two ways.
Yes.
There's a brother who went outside to look for something, and there's a brother who is in Gambia here. It could be, a sister, nephew, even moms and dad.
Yeah.
Like you have your son over there or your brother out there. So it's very difficult for them to leave whatever they have there and come and settle in the Gambia
Yes,
because
yes.
they do have kids and they
Kids.
need to go to school.
Yeah.
Just like they left Gambia to go to maybe America or Europe.
Yeah.
When they have kids there, they will not just bring them because they want to do business there. So who do they do business with now? It's Gambians, their own
Gambians.
brothers and own sisters. So it is good that you understand. Like, let's say I'm in Gambia here, and my brother went to Europe.
Yeah.
Yeah, and he was fortunate enough to get something over there. He want to build a house here. He said, "Hey, my brother, help me build this house." It's very important that you do the right thing. So many hours, paying rent and mortgages. Over here, at least you have a house. You're not paying for it. You just paid one time. That's it. But when you are here and somebody give you something, either bill for them or do business for them, please try to do the right thing so that you can also, expand in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, but if not, it's not gonna work, and we're not gonna develop, we're not gonna get anywhere, because monkey walk, baboon
Babu
chop.
eat, yeah.
Yeah, so that's not good. Or like the Wolof say, "Chi munge gas, chi munge
Yes,
su."
soul. That's the soul.
Yeah, that's the soul. So we're never gonna get nowhere, and that's the biggest problem we have here is trust, and it's the people who live here in Gambia, because those other people they take their money, they give it to you.
Yeah.
When they give it to you, they took their money and gave it to you, right?
Yeah.
So they don't have a problem doing that. So why do you have a problem of doing the right thing?
Right thing.
And showing them this is what we did. Be transparent. Do the right thing. Because they don't facilitate, but the people responsible to make that happen. That's the problem we have here. And that's the truth. I complain every day.
Yeah.
I complain to people every day. When they gave you something to do, like the Imam was just saying on Friday, when they give you a position to work for a whole country, and you're going to build a story building, you're going to marry forward. That's what happened here, my
Yeah,
brother.
that's what happens, yeah.
Or you want the best car first.
Best house, best,
That's,
the most beautiful lady.
Exactly. I don't know about the ladies, but what I see is what I say.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the problem we have. That need to change. People need to be held accountable for what they did.
Definitely.
People don't need to be given those luxurious stuff for nothing just because they sit on.
There's the long grain,
Okay.
and then there's the basmati, jasmine, and then we have the basmati here. We have 3 types of rice.
You have different type of basmati
Yes,
rices.
yes.
So this one also is a basmati rice.
This is basmati, yes.
Royal, yeah?
Yes,
Royal quality.
yes, royal quality. This is royal thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
And we have the
So if
jasmine
someone
and-
needs wholesale and retail, do you guys do it?
Right now we stopped doing wholesale because it's like the customer base is going up thanks to you guys. And then when we do it on wholesale, like people will be coming and then we won't have what they need.
What do you mean?
So we leave it for our daily customers. So that's why
Oh,
we're not doing a lot of wholesale. Sometimes we do,
yeah.
but as of now, we are not doing it.
You are not doing it.
Yes.
Because you want to satisfy your
At least,
customers.
yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
Which is amusing. So like if somebody need 100 bags of basmati rice,
Yes.
50 bags, how do you guys do the transaction? Like if they're out there, their family members are here.
It's easy now. Some people do that. You either pay through Wave or they do Zelle. You
Zelle?
pay there, your people come pick their stuff. Yes.
Their stuff.
Yes.
So do you guys do delivery service?
Yeah, yeah. You buy certain amount, we can do the delivery for you.
Okay, you lead us.
Yes. Okay. Let's start from here.
Yeah, okay.
Here we have our seasoning stuffs.
Wow,
These are the kitchen area.
chicken area.
Yes, we have the vinegar. Then you have all this. These ones are vinegar.
Within the Gambia.
Yes,
Yeah.
that will be here.
Yes.
Yeah, whatever we have is still stay.
What are the difference since I think like 2 years ago we've been working, yeah?
Yes,
Since I stepped here, what are the difference? Like
we have huge difference because we have people come in and then they most of the time they said, I saw your video on YouTube
with Lucky Child.
with Lucky Shah. I said yes, he do it for us. So we have been getting a lot of messages like saying they're seeing our video from you guys. Most of the time through with the diaspora
With the diaspora.
because they follow that when they come in, they want to see the stuffs they have so that they don't need to carry anything because they know when they come they will have it here.
Yeah, yeah.
Americans will be coming, not only Americans, but most of the time because they know these products. That's what they use back there.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
They will say, I will never buy stuffs again. We have people saying that all the time. So it's like they pay us through Zelle and then their wives or family, whosoever will come pick their stuffs.
Big stuff is